Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today's video features the Cutest Crew Bundle from Stampin' Up. Probably one of the cutest stamp sets and dies that I've ever seen from Stampin' Up, because they have the cutest little pet images, cats, dogs, birds. I mean, how cute is that? And they have matching dies, so a die that will cut out all those little kitties, all the little puppas, the birds, plus really lovely sentiments as well. Here's the dies. So that you cut a whole strip of different patterns, strip of the paws, and then there are all these other individual little dies which don't have a stamp, but they'll cut out like the little pussycat one there. It's a very, very cute stamp set and dies, and it's an online exclusive. So if you click I've put a link in the description bar below. This is one of those stamp sets or dies that you won't find in a catalogue, only online. But I've put the link in the description bar below. It's such a good stamp set, and we're going to make this very cute card. Going to use some products that are on the last chance list and are retiring. A retiring embossing folder there, retiring ribbon, that's cloud cover, and the little flat pearls, which are also retiring, and a little bit of stamping on the inside. So easy to make. Let's go ahead and get it done, starting with a piece of cloud cover, which is our base for our card. This is one of Stampin' Up's in colours, and it's still going to be around for another 12 months, so if you like it, it's still there. This is the embossing folder, which has slipped my mind. I want to say exposed brick embossing folder. I have linked it below. It's got a lovely subtle pattern, and then just a piece of basic white for the inside. I've stamped and die cut our little kitties, so let's go ahead and get them coloured. I'm using a variety of blends and scribble them in. Okay, make sure I'm in the frame there. So this is, I'm going to start with smoky slate, a little bit of dark smoky slate for this little one, this little guy here. A little bit of dark. And then I'll go and blend it out with the light. Nothing fancy with my colouring, just you can leave them all plain if you want to. So up to you. Let's do the next one. This next one is going to be Darling Duckling. Another one of Stampin' Up's in colours. And that's going to be around for another 12 months. The good thing about these little cute little critters is you can spot them, you can make them little striped, you can make them any colour you want them to be. This next one is going to be cloud cover. Now, where have I put cloud cover? Where have I put my cloud cover pen blend? It is. It's hiding. I love cloud cover. This is the dark one. We'll do this one cloud cover as well. Just going in with a little bit of the dark there to start. And then just where the shading is. And then blend that out. Make sure I picked up the right one. You have to look twice at cloud cover and smoky slate. Nothing fancy about my colouring here, but take your time and colour them all different ways. And then let's go ahead and do Timid Tiger for on this little one. So I'm going to put some little stripes on them. Darker there. And then it was the dark going with the light. Yep. Double check I had the right one. Sometimes they look super dark. Timid Tiger is perfect colour for this little kitty. I think maybe a little bit more of the dark, just to make those stripes stand out a bit more. Okay. Now, really you should stamp colour and then die cut, but I've gone around it the other way. I'm going to do these little butterflies in Flirty Flamingo. That's the Flirty Flamingo light. Do 2 of them in light. I'm not blending these ones. And I'll do 2 of them in dark. Put a bit of colour there as well. Why not? Very cute. Alright. I've also done some stamping on the inside, so we might just do that now while we are doing a little bit of stamping. So I'm just going to grab, I'm actually going to use my Secret C, this one. And what I'm going to do, how did I do it? Let me see. Oh yeah, just up there. Just there. Yeah, and there. Just like a little bit of interest in the inside of the card. And I'm going to punch out this for the front. This is a 2-inch circle punch, and that's Darling Duckling cardstock. And while we've got the ink out, let's stamp the happy birthday. Just go down towards the bottom. So I really like the font of this one. Right, Darling Duckling again. Nothing fancy here. Just get her done colouring. This is a light Summer Splash. Now, Summer Splash is on the last chance list, as are a few of these other, a couple of the other products as well in here. So they're marked down, so if you didn't get these blends when they came out first, this colour will be leaving Stampin' Up. So particularly if you got the stamp pads but perhaps you didn't get the re-inkers, they usually sell out very fast. I'm just putting Timid Tiger in here. So good place to check is the last chance list for all your little goodies. Okay, now on the front of this one I also did a little bit of splattering with my cloud cover blend. I think it's worth doing. Oh, it's my dark cloud cover. Just move everything out of the way. And all I do is grab the brush tip and just, it goes on dark, but obviously cloud cover is a bit lighter. Okay. Totally optional, just a little bit of interest in the background of the card there. Alright, let's put some dimensionals on the back of this one. Actually, let's we've got to put our bow down, make our little bow as well. One there and there. should we do? Right, I'm just going to grab my Stampin' Seal. Here it is. And this is the cloud cover ribbon. Again, it's on the last chance list, so if you didn't get some, now's a good time. Just making a faux bow, so I'm just taking a piece of the ribbon, folding it there, folding it there, pull that little bit out there, and just putting a little bit of Stampin' Seal right there, just to hold it down. That should be enough to go on. Stampin' Seal holds it down, and then I'm just grabbing the other hand, just grabbing my dimensional to hold that in place. So it's a bit high. Just to hold it down there. Do a great job of that. Let's see if I can fix it. Yeah. And then I want to have my circle sort of as close to there as possible. So yeah, that's good. Just put the circle down with some Stampin' Seal. That sentiment would look really good if you heat embossed it in black embossing, with black embossing powder too. It would really stand out against the coloured cardstock. Just taking the backings off these dimensionals. And just right across the top there. Go. Oh, that's cute. Easy little card to make. Trim that. It's soft with the cloud cover ribbon, I think, really soft. And then we have our in colour flat pearls, which are also on the last chance list. I went with the Timid Tiger. Should I do Timid Tiger, or should I do Darling Duckling, or cloud cover, or Secret Sea? Oh, I might just do Darling Duckling. Why not? Either way, either one, whatever you use, I think looks good. Pop the inside piece on. That looks nice. The Summer Splash looks nice against the cloud cover, I think. I always cut my inside piece so it has a very, very slight border. Whoops, that one's not quite straight. Let's just carefully fix that one up. And then our top piece, which I'm going to put on with dimensionals. Or you can lay it flat. So I hope you will have a look at this this bundle, Cutest Crew. It is very, very cute. So if you like animals, if you're a cat lover or a dog lover, doesn't matter which, both your feline friends or not, they're all covered for you in this stamp set. And there you have it, really easy card, really cute, easy to make, and I hope you give that a go. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye now.